lot better than a barrel of Tennessee Brown. All bottled up with some country sexy for a night out on the town. I'm getting drunk on you, and I'm starting